Hello everyone, my name is Malini Nair and I am the keynote speaker. I would like to welcome you all to the International Conference on Science and Technology. I'm extremely grateful to Eurasia Research for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about management and organizational excellence. Let us first understand the definition of organizational excellence. Organizational excellence refers to the ability of an organization to consistently achieve its goals and deliver high-quality products or services that meet or exceed customer expectations. In today's highly competitive business world, organizational excellence is more important than ever as it enables companies to differentiate themselves from their competitors, build customer loyalty, and improve overall performance. According to Cohen and Brandt, organizational excellence refers to the continuous improvement and optimization of processes, products, and services to achieve superior performance. It involves creating a culture of excellence where all employees are engaged in the pursuit of organizational goals and the organization is committed to delivering high-quality products and services. Several studies by Duran, Aha, and Martin Kastler have highlighted the importance of organizational excellence in today's world. It is critical for organizations to remain competitive. Research shows that organizations that prioritize excellence have better financial performance, higher levels of customer satisfaction, and, like I said before, employee engagement. Many researchers like Crosby, Deming, Harry M.J., Auckland, and Hammer have identified key principles that are critical for achieving organizational excellence: continuous improvement, customer focus, process approach, leadership, people involvement, strategic planning, and evidence-based decision-making are among the most commonly cited principles. These principles are interrelated and mutually reinforcing. Organizations that prioritize these principles are more likely to achieve excellence. Continual improvement is the process of constantly improving processes, products, and services to meet the changing customer needs. Customer focus is about understanding and meeting customer needs and expectations to create customer loyalty and satisfaction. Leadership is about setting the direction and vision for the organization, inspiring and motivating employees, and providing resources and support to achieve goals. People involvement is about engaging and empowering people to contribute to the organization's success. The process approach involves understanding, managing, and improving processes to achieve the desired outcomes. Strategic planning is about setting long-term goals and developing a plan to achieve them. Evidence-based decision-making involves making decisions based on data rather than intuition or assumptions. Let us now look at some tools and techniques that organizations could use to achieve excellence. According to Laika, Kahane, Hussein, and McLean, these tools could be Lean Six Sigma, Total Quality Management, Business Process Reengineering, and Kaizen. These methodologies provide a framework for identifying areas of improvement, reducing waste and defects, improving quality, and aligning business activities with organizational goals. Lean Six Sigma is a methodology which eliminates waste and improves quality by reducing the defects. TQM, or Total Quality Management, is an approach that emphasizes continuous improvement, focuses on customers, and involves employees heavily. Business process reengineering is rethinking and redesigning processes in order to achieve improvements in the performance. Kaizen, which also means change for the good, I'm sure you're all familiar with the word Zen, is a continuous improvement process that involves small incremental changes to improve processes and products. Several case studies have highlighted the success of organizations that have achieved excellence through the adoption of best practices and innovative approaches. Toyota Production System is a well-known example of lean manufacturing, and Apple Inc. is known for its focus on design, innovation, and customer experience. Zappos is a customer-centric online shoe retailer that emphasizes employee engagement and empowerment. While GE has a long history of quality management and continuous improvement. I'm sure all of you know that Google is known for its data-driven approach to decision-making and innovative work culture. While achieving organizational excellence is critical, it is not without challenges. Business leaders need to ensure that buy-in and commitment to organizational excellence takes place from all levels of the organization. Engaging and empowering employees can be challenging, and cultural alignment and change management are also important factors. Additionally, the role of technology and innovation continues to evolve, presenting both challenges and opportunities for organizations to improve their performance and achieve excellence. Let us look at a framework that organizations could use to achieve excellence, starting with leadership commitment, where the top managers or the leaders need to establish a clear vision and mission, define the values and principles of the organization, communicate it to all the employees, while leading with an example and demonstrating a commitment to excellence. Customer focus requires the organization to understand customer needs and expectations, develop and maintain relations with customers, while continuously striving to improve customer satisfaction. The continuous improvement aspect requires the organization to establish a culture of continuous improvement. This can happen by encouraging employees to participate and involve in improvement initiatives, using data and metrics to measure their performance and identify areas for improvement, implementing improvement initiatives and projects in the organization. Process management requires identifying and mapping key business processes while developing and maintaining the process documentation. It's very important for organizations to measure process performance and identify the opportunities for improvement in the performances. Implementing these process improvements and standardizing process across the organization would definitely lead to excellence. Employee engagement, like I said before, requires an encouragement from the organization for their participation in improvement initiatives. This can happen when the organization provides training and development opportunities, recognizes and rewards employee contributions, ensures a safe and healthy environment for the employees to work. Last but not the least, the business results. This is a very important aspect of an organization to be able to measure and report the business performance. Using these performance metrics, they can incorporate improvement initiatives. Celebrating success and recognizing achievements is an important feature of an organization which strives to excel. Continuously assessing and improving organizational effectiveness would definitely lead to an organization towards its journey in achieving excellence. In conclusion, organizational excellence is a critical aspect of modern business and can help organizations to achieve superior performance, customer satisfaction, and competitive advantage. By focusing on continuous improvement and creating a culture of excellence, organizations can reap numerous benefits and stay ahead of their competition. However, this requires a combination of leadership, best practices, and innovative approaches. Business leaders need to be committed to organizational excellence and take a long-term view of performance improvement to achieve sustainable success. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. You may reach out to me at the email shown on the slide. Have a lovely day.